Hi, my name is Ian.
And I'm Harry.
For our senior project, we decided to develop an application called TSAEI, TSAEI, which is short for the Smart and Educated Investor. The main point of our app is, as many people today lack a basic financial literacy skills, which negatively affects their financial well-being as well as other aspects of their life. With this app, we aim to help solve this problem by making an easy-to-use application that will teach users about three parts of the financial world, which is personal finance for their own needs, macroeconomics to learn about the state of the economy, and investing to learn how to grow one's money. There would be lessons and definitions for each of these sections that aim to summarize what the user needs to know for each of them. For the personal finance section, there would be lessons on important things the user needs to know about their own finances, such as buying a home, budgeting, and banking services. The macroeconomics section taught the user about their general economy and analyzing trends the global economy is heading towards. Their investing section taught the user about different types of investments and how to grow their money wisely. After a user learns through all the lessons and definitions, the user would then get quizzed on their knowledge to test what they have learned. The user then knows what they got wrong and what they also need to improve on and what lessons they should go back to. This app was developed using Java and Android Studio, and all financial information was gathered from various reliable sources such as the SEC, Khan Economy, and Investopedia.
Now, let's look at the code behind this. In this first activity, it is the animation that introduces us to the register activity. All it does is plays a video that I made in After Effects, which is a digital visual effects, motion graphics, and compositing application. Once a certain time has passed, it'll go over to the next activity, which is the register activity. There are two buttons that are waiting to get pressed. Once one of the buttons is pressed, it'll either go to the home page or the login activity. Let's look at the login activity. In the login activity, it does the same thing. It waits for either button to get pressed. It'll either send you to the home page or back to the register activity. In our home page, it displays all three topics that our app covers: personal finance, macroeconomics, and investing. What the code does is the first button will send you to the personal finance section, macroeconomics will send you to that section, and investing will send you to that section. In each section, it has lessons and a quiz button. When you press on lessons, there's a next button and there's a back button, which will help you navigate through this section. The first thing done in this code is get the names and definitions from the JSON files. Every time you press next, it displays the next word and definition, and the back button sends you to the previous definition. Next is the quiz. The first thing it does is the same as the lessons. Gets the questions and answer choices from the JSON files and displays them on the screen. We start with the begin button that sends us to our first question and answer list. It checks which answer choice is selected, and if that choice is correct, it'll add 1 to a variable, which later on calculates your score.
While we finished making the majority of the app, there's still so much more we want to add. Specifically, one thing we want to add is an investing game, similar to a Market Watch game, where the user can use imaginary money to invest in stocks and see how their performance is. We also hope to add some more graphics into the app, such as a mascot similar to Duolingo.
Hello, everyone!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe!